How AI is revolutionizing root cause analysis in telecom. How? Metricell software has helped network operators manage millions of customer trouble tickets related to network issues. Operators must manage complex networks while handling a flow of customer issues. For network teams, AI allows them to spend less time reacting to the issues and more time enhancing the network. Some of today's challenges include manual data collection and analysis, reactive approach, and limited integration. Manual data collection and analysis. Currently, analysis involves collecting data from various sources. Teams manually analyze data to identify patterns and pinpoint the source of network issues. The process often takes time to access multiple tools and the expertise to correlate the data in depth. Reactive approach. Network issues are handled reactively. Engineers start gathering data once a problem is reported. Reactive approaches are time-consuming and lead to longer resolution times and customer dissatisfaction. Limited integration and automation. Traditional analysis methods struggle with poor integration between different data sources. Network performance metrics and customer feedback are often kept separate, making it hard to get a complete view of the issue. Where AI is assisting operators today. Continuously monitoring network performance. Rapidly correlating data from diverse sources. Outputs can be customized for internal stakeholders. AI is only as informative as the data that goes into it. Metricell's ANI is fed the data required to check and analyze live network status for real-time updates on network performance and health. Incidents and maintenance on serving sites past, present, and future. Data from any AI-powered self-serve applications such as Metricell's ADA. If other subscribers have reported issues in the same area. Within a year from launch, subscriber complaints will drop by 60%. ANI offers a transformative solution that automates the root cause analysis process. Embracing ANI will empower mobile network operators to stay ahead of the curve. Contact us at sales@metricell.com to discuss the topic in more detail and how it may apply to your operation.